Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a legit website using Claude AI. So to make a legit website, what you have to do is open Claude.ai website and sign in with your account. Now what you have to do in the style section, which is just under the text box, click on the concise button. Now once you select concise, you have to type in a prompt. For instance, I will type in I want to create a one-page simple e-commerce website about sneakers. I want the style and layout to be modern and minimalist, and I want you to help me write code in HTML, CSS, Java, and Liquid. So this is my prompt. You can modify it a little bit. As you can see, I'm only asking Claude to create only a one-page simple because I don't want to wait for it to create a long website. It will take ages, so I will only create one page, but you can create a full website with the help of Claude AI. This is just for demonstration purpose. So I will click on send button and I will wait for Claude AI to complete the code. As you can see, it is writing my code. Once it's completed the code, I can switch between the code by clicking this button, and here's the whole code. I will simply click on copy and I can paste it anywhere on my website, on my hosting, and this is what the website actually looks like. As you can see, there's show up now button, there is a Cloud Runner, and there are sample products. I can click on add cart. As you can see, the product has been added to cart. So there's a checkout button, there's get updates on new releases, so there's a newsletter, terms and condition, privacy and policy, each and everything. So that's basically how you can build a legit website using Claude AI. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.